Hello, gorgeous beauties. How are you? Well, today I'm going to be talking to you about something so exciting. I don't want you to miss this video because you're going to say, oh my goodness, this is perfect and this is exactly what I was looking for. I'm going to be talking to you today about O Beauty. Now, what is O Beauty? And I mean, oh, beauty. This is a beauty site that is an e-com site where you can get everything you need. It's like a one-stop shop and they have all our favorite brands. It is so perfect, and right now they are having a 25% off. They're having a huge anniversary sale. So you want to check them out. And I got this box from them. When it came in the mail, I was so excited to get this box. Guys, I'm so excited. My package arrived today from O Beauty. I have selected a few brands that have proven clinical results and address specific skin concerns such as dry skin, rosacea, acne, etc. And I just love the fact that they have top brands such as Dr. Murad and Anna Sui that are sold on O Beauty. I value myself, so as I'm aging, I want the best of the best, and you should as well. You deserve it. So what I found in O Beauty is that it's an e-commerce site that has the most magnificent products that you can get all in one place, and then they will mail it to you. It comes in a beautiful box, and it's just really great. If you use code DAWN15, you will get 15% off any products that you purchase right now on O Beauty. So please check that out. So this morning I've already completed my skincare. I have used the Dr. Murad. This is a facial scrub. This is their vitamin C triple exfoliating facial. So when I cleanse my face this morning, this gets off all dead skin cells. Vitamin C, as you know, is an alpha hydroxy acid, which is a scrub, and it exfoliates. It's almost like little fruit acids that get all that dead skin cells off you, so you have that glowing, fresh skin. So I already prepped my face with this Dr. Murad facial scrub. And then, of course, you're going to use a great moisturizer. I also love to put on a great serum and use my gua sha. Gua sha has been such a game changer for me. It helps lift this whole area, any sagging. Also, it brings so much blood flow and so much life to your skin. And so let's get to this, beauties. I really want to show you how I prep in the morning. Now, after I wash my face and scrub and I have clean, dry skin, now I do have some makeup on right now. So we're going to get to really how I dive into my morning routine. The first thing that they sent me was this prep. This is the Anna Sui. This is a primer. You want to use a primer because it's going to really help your makeup go on much more smoothly. And when I use a foundation, I always use a primer before I put on my foundation so that my skin looks glowy and fresh. And I have to tell you, this Anna Sui that I bought from O Beauty, it just smells delicious, and it's so luxe for your skin. And it also came with this little applicator that you can put on more smoothly. And then what I do is, after I'm primed, now Joseph told me about this foundation. I feel like this is one of the most amazing foundations I have ever used. And of course, I'm going to show you the box. It is by Image, and so check this out. After I tried this, I've been using this for about a week. Gives me that beautiful finish. I'm going to show you on my hand because you're going to see how beautiful this covers. Now, I get little age spots and brown spots on my hand, so I'm going to show you. This is just beautiful coverage. Now, when you apply foundation to your face, Joseph, my makeup artist, who is an iconic artist and he knows everything about makeup, he talks about using a sponge. He says that you need to get a sponge, wet it, dry it with a paper towel. After it's dried with the paper towel, you will apply the foundation on the sponge, and it just goes on smoothly. It glides on beautifully, and you can also tap and that will absorb into your skin so much more effectively. So after I apply my foundation, I like to, of course, use blush, but I like to apply this eyeliner. Now the eyeliner, and we're going to come in really close here, but what Joseph says is that you start at the end here.
Here's a trick. You can actually draw it where you want it to finish. Now you see it can still be filled in down here, and that's easy. Filling it in, that's easy.
Yeah.
It's getting that top line.
From the outside of the eye in. Now you don't want to do raccoon eyes. You don't want to create a black liner all over the eye because that gives it too much, it just comes off dark, and it also makes the eye look smaller. So what he suggests, you do half the eye. And then after I do that, I like to use their mascara. Their mascara is so amazing. This is Miss 9, and this gives you such beautiful lashes. Again, we're gonna use this. It's gonna give me those beautiful lashes. And then, of course, we want to make sure that we get off any excess on the bottle and put some on the bottom. So we don't want it to look spidery, but I think you can have a great effect when you put it on the bottom. And then you're just gonna take a brush and you're just gonna smooth that out. And that gives you such a beautiful effect. And then, of course, I picked this beautiful powder. This is an Anna Sui powder. And this is just going to give us a little bit of a finishing touch. It's a finishing powder. And that's just going to blot. And that's going to pick up any excess oil, if you're sweating, any excess sweat. And that's kind of like a beautiful palette. That's all I do in the morning. And I think it gives you a great finish. So ladies, if you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell, because that will let you know when I'm uploading new videos every week. I also post shorts every single day, so you will be seeing the shorts every day coming into your inbox if you hit that notification bell. And so my aim with my channel and what I choose when I choose products, as a mature woman, I value myself. So as I'm aging, I want the best of the best, and you should as well. You deserve it. If you use code DAWN15, you will get 15% off any products that you purchase right now on O Beauty. So please check that out. So ladies, I hope you enjoyed watching this video. I have so much fun creating these videos for you. You are just such a beautiful community. I love your comments. So anything that you can write to me, even if you're sending me love or just putting a heart in a comment, hitting that like button. Of course, I would love if you subscribe and hit the notification bell. All links will be in the description below. Thank you, O Beauty, for partnering with me. I so appreciate you. This is a beautiful array of products that you've given me. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. I love you all so very, very much. Mwah. Bye-bye.